Lucidspark is a cloud-based virtual whiteboard designed to bring your team's best ideas to life. Now, with Lucidspark's integration for Microsoft Teams, you can take your brainstorming and collaboration efforts to the next level. Whether you're looking to make quick edits to your board's action items, increase productivity across distributed teams, or keep project materials in one place for everyone to find, this integration allows you to easily contribute to your team's Lucidspark board without leaving Microsoft Teams. Our integration allows you to add a Lucidspark board to any Teams channel or collaborate on a full-screen whiteboard during a video call. Start by selecting the channel you want to work from, then click the Add a Tab plus button to the right of your other channel tabs. From here, select Lucidspark from the list. Don't see it? No worries. Just search for it by typing Lucidspark Whiteboard in the search engine. If you still can't find the integration, your team's administrator might not have installed it yet. The good news is, you can still install it for yourself by clicking More Apps and searching for Lucidspark. After you've selected the Lucidspark tab integration, don't be surprised if you're asked to sign into Lucidspark. Just follow the prompts on the screen. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to create a new board from scratch. Clicking here will add a new board, or you can select from your most recently opened files. Make sure that you set the appropriate permissions for your collaborators depending on the level of access everyone will need to interact with the board. It's also worth noting, you can create a new board or choose from an existing board within the Microsoft Teams channel itself. This will generate an invitation for the team to accept. Select the file you'd like to use. Decide if you'd like to notify the channel that the new tab has been added, then click Save. You'll have the ability to make changes to the tab settings, whether it's swapping out different boards, changing the name, or deleting the tab entirely. You can add as many of these Lucidspark tabs to your channel as you like. Once added, the new tabs will allow anyone in the channel to have full function of the Lucidspark platform and its collaboration features. Add sticky notes, emoji reactions, tag ideas, and cast your votes for your team's next steps, all within Microsoft Teams. If you'd rather detach the board from Microsoft Teams to work within the browser, you can do that with a simple click. If you'd like your team to have the full experience of an in-person whiteboarding session within Teams video conferences, the Lucidspark meeting stage will help facilitate that. This will allow you to create a meeting and preemptively add a board to it. Schedule the meeting and add at least one attendee, then open the calendar invite title. Click Edit to modify the meeting, then click plus Add a Tab from the top bar and select Lucidspark. A window will open up and give you the option to create a new board or search for an existing board. Upon saving it, you then can prepare the board for your participants. This feature will allow users to add boards while a meeting is taking place. Navigate to the top bar in the meeting and find the More Actions menu, then select Add an App. Click on Lucidspark, then attach the board to the existing meeting. When it's added, it will appear in the right-hand panel and can be shared out to everyone in the meeting in full screen using the Share to Stage function. Participants can then brainstorm ideas using sticky notes or freehand drawing, leverage advanced collaboration features like voting and presentation mode, or synthesize ideas with Lucidspark's help on an infinite board that's embedded in a full-screen meeting interface. Lucidspark for Microsoft Teams seamlessly enables real-time collaboration right within your existing workflows in Microsoft Teams.